Welcome! Today, we're diving into Did the latest Windows update break your PC? Are you struggling with a problematic Windows update? This video is for you. We'll cover practical solutions to help get your PC back on track. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. First, let's talk about creating a restore point. It's a snapshot of your system files and settings at a specific point in time. This can help you revert your system to a previous state if something goes wrong. To create one, go to System Properties, click on the System Protection tab, then Create. Be careful not to rely solely on this, as it's not a full system backup. Quick tip: make a restore point before any major system changes. Next, uninstalling the KB update. This is the removal of a specific Windows update, useful if it's causing issues. To do this, go to View Update History, then Uninstall Updates. Find the problematic update, right-click, and select Uninstall. Avoid uninstalling security updates unless necessary. Quick tip: note down the KB number of the update before uninstalling. Repairing the Start menu and taskbar can resolve common issues. They're crucial for navigating your PC, so fixing them can improve your experience. Open the Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer. Right-click and restart. Avoid ending other processes unless necessary. Quick tip: use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift+S to quickly open Task Manager. Let's discuss SFC and DISM. They're Windows built-in tools for repairing system files. They can help if your PC is acting oddly after an update. Run SFC-scanno and DISM-online cleanup image restore health in command prompt as administrator. Be patient, as these scans can take some time. Quick tip: always run SFC before DISM for the best results. A clean install of drivers can fix compatibility issues. Drivers are software that allow your PC's hardware to communicate with your OS. To perform a clean install, uninstall the current driver, restart your PC, then install the new driver. Be aware that this may temporarily disable the device. Quick tip: always download your new driver from the manufacturer's official site. Finally, adjusting game mode settings can improve performance. Game mode is a Windows feature that optimizes your PC for gaming. Go to Settings, Gaming, then Game Mode. Toggle it off if you're experiencing issues after an update. Remember, this might reduce gaming performance. Quick tip: only use game mode if your PC is struggling with game performance. So, who should use these solutions? If your PC is struggling post-update, these tips can help. If not, you may not need them. Remember, always back up important data before making system changes. Now, a quick checklist. Have you created a restore point, uninstalled the problematic update, repaired the Start menu and taskbar? In conclusion, if a Windows update has caused problems, don't panic. Use the tips we've discussed to help get your PC back in shape. Remember, each situation is unique, so what works for one might not work for all. Always seek professional help if you're unsure. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in resolving any issues caused by a Windows update. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Happy computing.